welcome to the channel. Hussein Riz Trader, HRT here. Appreciate you all for joining. Today I'm going to share with you 3 lessons that I have experienced in my first year day trading. If I had to sum it up what day trading is all about, just within 1 year of experiencing day trading, here's what it is. Hear me out. Number 1, you'll find that trading is the most self-individual business that you will ever experience. I don't know what other companies you can work for, or what other thing in entrepreneurship that you can pursue that is very only like it's just you. You know what I mean? Like nothing outside, just you. All the things in order to become successful is really you. It's nothing else. It's the internal you. You know what I mean? So your competition is you. You as in what? Your ability of discipline, right? Your discipline to follow your rules, right? Your patience to say, I have to wait. Oh shoot, the price is going against me. Oh shoot, the price is leaving me. I need to enter the position, right? Your patience. You're confident, right? You see your setup. Oh shoot, but the market is down. I probably shouldn't enter this on the long side, but it is my setup on the long side, right? You're confident, regardless of what the outcome, regardless of what's going on in the market. You see your trading setup. Are you gonna enter with confidence, right? Or are you gonna pull back, be wishy-washy, right? Yeah. And that's the thing that you will experience in your first year, right? You will learn a lot about yourself. I'm not gonna lie, you will extremely learn a lot about yourself than anything. Like, I don't know how to say it. Like, you will learn a lot about yourself. All right, so that's first, right? What's the first thing I just said? Trading is the most self-individual business, right? And you and yourself is your competition, no one else. Here's the second one. Your mindset, your psyche, the way you think, your emotions, right? All of these are more important than your trading setup, your trading strategy. You know what I just said? Your mindset, your psyche, your emotions, all that stuff are more important than actually your strategy, right? I think when it comes to trading involves 20% of finding a strategy that works. Do you have a strategy that works? You know what? Guess what? Go to YouTube, which you're on right now. Search up day trading strategy. You will find bunch. So this 20% is easy to solve. I'm telling you, within like few months of understanding trading, all that stuff, you'll find a strategy that works, right? Finding a strategy, it's not that easy, right? It may appear so, seem like it's just, you just think that because you're super new, right? And that's fine. You'll find that as time goes, you realize, oh wow, finding a trading system is easy. You can find any of the trading system that you've seen all over the place. They all work. You name it, they work, right? That's 20% of trading. It's finding a strategy, right? You know what the 80% is? The 80% of trading is your emotion. The ability to control your emotions and tell your emotions, hey, this is what I'm gonna do at this, and at this. If the market goes against me, this is my rule we're gonna follow. If the price goes in my direction, these are the areas I'm gonna sell, right? That's logical. Now, emotions involved now, right? The ability to control your emotions and to follow your trading system is by far the hardest thing about trading. And that's literally all your mistakes will come from that. It will not come from your trading system. Majority of your craziest trade will come, crazy as in like the bad trades, will come from that side of trading. Your emotions, the ability to control your emotions, right? And because of this, ready for this? It doesn't get easier. Because of this, the mistakes you'll make, you will experience depression, bro. I'm talking about deeper than you probably may have experienced, right? Because the thing is, you have nothing else to blame but you. So that's hard. That's so hard. You know what I'm saying? So you will experience immense hardship of self-doubt. Like immense hardship of self-doubt, right? And then you'll experience great emotional pain as a result of this. Because controlling emotions is extremely hard, right? And that involves really knowing about yourself. And getting to a level, you have to let go of that. And I remember in my earlier days, oh my gosh, I couldn't control my emotions. It was so weird, right? I would wake up, right, before trading starts, make my bed, make it look nice, and suddenly I feel like, oh wow, I just made my bed really nice. Wow, you know, I'm probably gonna have a good trading today. What does that have to do with trading? What is that? So these are the things you're gonna experience. It's the weirdest thing to say. That's a weird example, but I'm telling you, for real, right? Like you have to, like when you log in, you about to trade, shut off emotion and tell your emotion, hey, only follow this, right? Nothing to do with everything you did. You could have the greatest day ever, right? You would have, like, let's say suddenly you got like a text, you got the job you're looking for, and now you're about to trade. You know what I'm saying? Emotions are involved, and now you're gonna treat everything, every setup you see, as a possible win. You know what I'm saying? But market does not know you. Market does not know your feelings, not know who you are. Market does its thing, right? And these things is gonna take hardship on you, right? And you're gonna have to like consistently make that mistake until you finally become a robot. You finally take control of your emotions and say no, and teach your emotion to align with your rules. Once you get to that, I'm telling you, it's only up from there, bro. For real. Once you're able to control your emotions and align your emotions based on your trading rules, game over after that. But until you get to that, right? Until you get to that, don't give up. I'm telling you, don't give up. Every hardship is there for you to get to that level. So don't give up. Don't give up, right? For real. Don't do it. And this leads me to my third. Okay, third. Right? What's the third one? Trading, it changes your life, right? Trading changes your life and how you view the world. Very strange thing to say, but how you view the world, it will change your life. It will change the way you view yourself and the world. You start to see the world and yourself in manner of probability. And you get to this level where you always look into the, okay, cool, what's the probability of this happening in this one? What's my risk? Alright, cool, this is my calculated risk. These are the odds. These are the chance that I'm gonna get the outcome that I want. It's 80%. Alright, cool, I have a 20% that you know, I might not get this outcome. Is that the case? Alright, cool. Am I willing to risk that 20%, whatever it means? Alright, cool. I'm gonna approach that girl. Alright, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and apply for this job. Right? I'm gonna go ahead and make this phone call. It's gonna be hard, but I gotta do it. Right? And so once you get to that level, you start to disconnect from having this sense of attachment to the outcome. You follow me? When you get to that, you feel freedom. You feel so free, and that freeness gives you great confidence in how you move with the world. You just have this freeness. You know what I'm saying? You just do whatever you want to do, right? And just focus on the outcome that you want. If you don't get the other one, you just move on. Like, you don't care. Like, you know what I'm saying? You don't have the sense of like, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. You follow me? And so and that's actually like extremely good. You feel extremely good. I'm telling you. Yeah. But of course, getting to that level requires you have to pay the price. Well, what's that price? And that price is dealing with your emotions and controlling it. And that price is consistently losing sometimes and experiencing great emotional pain as a result of that. You know what I'm saying? Thinking that the world is gloom and doom. You know, that price is what? Having great, immense self-doubt about yourself and about your self-worth. You know what I'm saying? Because you're losing in this trade even though you just did a lot of studying. How is that possible? Am I not good? Right? You may be experiencing that, and I'm going to tell you something. Don't give up. Keep moving forward. Just keep going, bro. Just keep going. Because at the end of the tunnel, you know what's there? Trading is the most rewarding business. The very fact that you can come and just click up a button, you don't need any skills or anything other than just the ability to just click a button, and yet you make a doctor's salary just like that. You know what I'm saying? A lawyer's salary just like that an hour later. Right? And enjoy your vacation. Go wherever you want to go. You have your time. You own your time. You know what I'm saying? And so that's what's in front of you. That's that lifestyle of freedom, right? And it's surreal. It's surreal. And I see it in front of me, and I'm not going to give up. And I ask you this, don't give up. That's it. I'm telling you, all right? So with that all said, I'm going to go ahead and conclude. Keep these 3 things in mind. These are the 3 that I've experienced. Hope that you found this video beneficial. Alright, I really hope that you did. With that all said, go ahead. I want you to go to the comment section and type, where are you at in this journey? What have you have experienced? You know, let other traders read that, right? And get a feedback. You know what I'm saying? I'm very curious to read, you know, all of your journeys, where you guys are at, what have you guys have experienced, and tell me about these 3 things that I've mentioned, right? So with that all said, HRT.